Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight I've decided it's about time to sort all these annuals out in the hanging baskets and get them cut back and potted up so I can use them next year. They've been in the greenhouse for the last few weeks, 4 or 5 weeks. I've just not got around to them, so have a look at these. They're looking really well. I'm just giving them water so they come out of the pots easier, or the hanging baskets. So first of all, let's get cutting them back. Stick the camera in here. A second. Right, let's get them all cut back then now. First of all, I'm going to put them on a roughly, you can turn them up later on. These, as you can see, have grown really leggy. If you want to use any of these as cuttings, you can do later on. This one's a petunia. Cut it right back to only 3 or 4 inches, that's all it needs. Looks like you're massacring it, but it will grow back. Take a word for it. So yeah, as you can see, look at that. Look at that extra growth. You can use that. Take some lovely cuttings off that later. But as you can see, getting there now. Replace the camera. And get the one done at the other side. As you can see, I've sprayed it for powdery mildew. It's sending out loads of little side shoots now. So get this one done. Bit of a mess, but well worth it. Save me a fortune next year. And then I've just got these Pelagoniums to cut back. I cut just above a leaf node, so you can send out some side shoots. And that, get bin that one. Right, there we go. That's it. I'll prune back. Get the cuttings. Right, all I need to do now is empty it, buckle it, and use bin liners to line them. It's not really easy. Right, here we go. Right, all I need to do now is take that out of there. As you can see, a lot of root system. And gently, that's one of the petunias. That's been well watered. Don't worry about doing this. You want to take off as much roots as you can to get inside the pot you want to fit it in. This is going to look like I'm going to be butchering it, but this petunia is going to go this 9cm pot. So I shall take some more off. Nearly done. This will definitely come back, take my word for it. It looks like it's been massacred at the moment, but in my little heated propagators, they'll love it. Well, that's that petunia. Any leaves you just want to take off because they could cause them to rot. So any dry leaves, any vegetation on the top, remove. Let's see if it fits in. Perfect, that fits in nicely. So some sterilised compost that's been in the microwave in the bottom. Place your plant it like so. So top up. and give it water. And that will go, you can put it on a well-lit windowsill above a radiator, or I put it on a heat mat, my grow lights. So all you need to do with that, give it water, and that should be tuning saved. That's how to save your annuals. Yeah, if you've got any questions, hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.